Let's look at a process to convert a PDF into Microsoft Excel format. Here we have a PDF which contains a table that could be useful to open in Microsoft Excel. There are two main ways to achieve this conversion. The first is to use the Excel button located on the Home ribbon. With the PDF open, we'll select the Excel button. We can then select the page range or conversion settings, but we'll go ahead and stick with the defaults and start the conversion. We decide on where to save the converted document and press save. The Convert Assistant converts the PDF and opens up the new document in Microsoft Excel. The document is now fully editable with fonts, colours, tables and images being retained. Another way to perform the conversion is to use the Save As method. Again, with the PDF open, we'll go to File, Save As, and we'll select the location and select the file type as an Excel spreadsheet. We'll click Save, and then Power PDF begins the conversion process and opens up the resulting Excel file. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.